Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to fix profile photo on WhatsApp. First thing you're gonna do, of course, go to WhatsApp, find three dots on the top right corner and find settings, choose settings, go to your profile and just tap on this picture and you can change your profile photo by camera, gallery or setting up avatar. But if people can't see your profile photo, what should I do? You go back, find here privacy and find profile photo. You can set up that everyone can see your profile photo or only your contacts, or your contacts except some persons, and you can set up that nobody, even your contacts, can see your profile photo. So if nobody can see your profile photo, it will look like that. And if you want to everybody to see your profile photo, just tap on this everyone and everyone will see your profile photo. I hope this video will help you, and if you find it also helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe it to my channel, and see you in another one.